This is a new resort for us, Paradisus Princesa Del Mar in Varadero.
Come with us. We will show you and tell you everything you need to know about this hotel. We'll show you our room. We'll take you to the restaurants. We'll explain everything you need to know. And stay with us till the end because we will give you our honest opinion of this hotel.
Mary, what did you like about this resort?
Oh my goodness, so many things. The staff, the cleanliness, the rooms, the pools, so many things.
When I booked 2 weeks ago, I didn't know what to expect from this place, this resort, but I was surprised and amazed by the beautiful pool that they have. The beach, of course, it's nice. It's Cuba, no surprise about that. And the staff, of course, very nice. Everything we ask about specific things here, they never say no. The real eggs in Cuba for omelette.
Oh, wow. It comes with 2 big bottles of water. Nice view. We're close to the beach. Crystal beer. We're lucky.
We had a nice room. It was a standard room, big one. Everything was functional inside the room. Everything you need, air dryer, there's a TV, there's a safe.
Coffee machine,
Yes.
hair dryer, and cleanliness.
Oh yes. Good pressure and warm water as well. Pasta bar.
Hola, my friend.
Hola.
Fish.
Fish, calamari. Okay, they have a nice gym. Wow. Lots of equipment. You think you have enough? Hola. Wow. Nice cigar place. Cigar bar. Too early today. We'll be back for sure. We're going to the French restaurant called Marseille. I hope it's good.
I'm sure it
Here we are at the French restaurant. And you have the white fish.
will. White fish.
It was not specified what kind of fish, but a white fish. The other choice was pork
Or chicken.
or chicken. And I'm having the pork. And what is this?
Opera.
Opera cake. Voilà. Wow. Okay, this is the snack bar. It's open 24/7. They serve all kind of food: hamburger, hot dog,
Chicken sandwich. Fish.
yeah, French
Fries.
fries. At the snack, filet, poisson filet, and chicken sandwich, French fries. Bon appétit. Some newborn at the resort.
Hello. I just had a massage at the Paradisus Princesa Del Mar. It was an awesome, very good experience. If you stay here for a week, you get the price of $55 right now. And this is the spa, the hot tub area.
Today the sea is a bit more rough, but still very nice. And water temperature is very good as well for December. And also very quiet at the beach. I don't know why. Very, very nice condition. You can do some catamaran from the resort. It's free for the client, and you can also do some snorkeling. It's about 10 minutes on the left, and the cost is like 20 US per person, and the right is about 10 minutes, so it's not that far. And this is something you can do as well at this resort. What was your favorite à la carte restaurants?
My favorite was the Japanese, and then the Italian. And we're going to visit the international, and we'll keep you posted.
Yes, same for me. The Japanese was the best in the à la carte restaurant. The buffet was okay. There's everything. There's always something you find that you like. Piano bar.
Cheers.
Nice drink, eh? Nice presentation. Yusmila, the best drink in Varadero. Come see her at Piano Bar. This is, of course, Brandy Alexander.
Yusmila, thank you very much. Delicious.
Alexander making a Brandy Alexander.
Yeah, it's great.
That's nice.
Awesome.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Hey guys, in less than 1 hour, we're moving to a new room. And our room, this one